All right, here we are for the state of Maine. How to claim unclaimed funds and property through the state of Maine. As you can see, they're currently in 2026 holding over $390 million in unclaimed property. The property could be a bank account, it could be treasury bonds, it could be dividends from a trade, it could be almost anything that can be considered property. So you're on the first page to start. Let's enter a last name. Let's put my name in there and see if anything comes up. I doubt it, but you never know. I've never lived in this state of Maine. In fact, I've never been there, but I heard they have great lobster. So hopefully I can get up there one day and enjoy that scenery. It's absolutely beautiful up there from what I'm told. So you have Durans in here, but not any Williams. For example, Beverly Duran has a refund of over $25 coming back. She's the sole owner of it, and it's from an accounts payable. She works for St. Mary's Regional Medical Center. Her address is 27 Schwanger Road, Bodine, Maryland. Maine. I'm sorry. Let's say I was her. I would hit claim, and then it would put the claim into what would be considered a shopping cart. Click on that, and it will give you information that you need to read. And read carefully to understand the claimant relationship to select the appropriate relationship for the case. That means this drop-down menu at the end, you're either going to select sole, meaning you, a personal representative, could be anybody in your family or a friend, an heir to the property, a business, a legal representative, or a trustee. So for this, we're going to simply select sole, hit file claim, and it'll take you to the page. It takes almost every state is going to have the same page. Fill this out with every single detail, especially the red asterisks next to the names. You want to make sure you have all that information absolutely correct and spelled correctly. So again, claim which type of claimant, individual, okay? Put your name, first name, last name, middle, date of birth, email confirmation, home phone number, other phone number, social security number or tax ID, country, and current mailing address. This is so important. People get this wrong so many times. Make sure that you put your current mailing address down, as well as your current email address. The state will correspond with you after you submit this to confirm it's you. They will also give you a list of items to upload to verify the documentation that they're requesting. And if they want to send you out a check and you don't have the correct physical mailing address, well, guess what? You're not going to get it. So after you finish this, the next step is waiting for a response from the state. You typically will get that within an hour or so. They'll give you more information on what to do. But the whole process takes about 90 days to get done. So don't expect to get rich overnight or have this money pocketed to your account right away. Give it time.